Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bhandaraj Mode, Dosa. This is JP Yadav. Today is my 15th lecture regarding MOSFET. So, this is a new topic. We discussed earlier diode and the working principle, VI characteristics of diode, and applications of diode. After that, we will discuss about bipolar junction transistor, its structure, working VI characteristics and configuration, its applications and switching and amplification circuits. Now we will discuss about MOSFET. So MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. What is MOSFET? It's a full form, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So we will discuss already about transistor. So transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signal and electrical power. It is composed of semiconductor material with at least 3 terminals for connections of an in external circuits. So BJT and FET. So bipolar junction transistor we will discuss in earlier. It is 3 terminal device, ammeter, base and collector. Now we will discuss field effect transistor. So field effect transistor are two types, JFET and MOSFET. So a MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, is a semiconductor device. So BJT is a semiconductor device, diode is a semiconductor device, and MOSFET also a semiconductor device. A MOSFET is most commonly used in the field of power electronics. A MOSFET is made of manufactured material that act neither like a insulator nor a conductor. So according to the semiconductor materials channels, so channel made by the N or channel made by the P substrate. When it is called N, then it is called N MOSFET, and when the channel is designed by P substrate, it is called P MOSFET. And another type is C MOSFET. It's a complementary MOSFET. So the structure of construction of MOSFET, it's a 3 terminal device. BJT is a 3 terminal device, MOSFET is 3 terminal device, source, gate and drain. Here the source work is like a ammeter, gate work as a base and drain work is collectors. So बाद में MOSFET is a 3 terminal device, source, gate and drain. So source emits the charge, drain collect the charge and gates are for controlling device. So gate supporting between source and drain by connecting a channel. This channel is N type or P type. When the channel is designed by N material, then it is called N type semiconductor, and when it is designed by the P semiconductor, then it is called P channel MOSFET. Like that construction of MOSFET. It's a semiconductor material Si substrate is shown in figure. This is the substrate. It is P type or N type. three terminal, this substrate is drilled at two place, and with metallic contact, there are two metallic contact, which is source and drain, and gate is insulated by a SiO2 layer, and after SiO2 layer metallic contact are drawn and its terminal is gate. So there are three terminal: source, gate and drain. So it is three terminal device, and it is called channel. This is channel, and it's between the length between source and drain, it is called channel length L. So it is the basic design of MOSFET. The working principle of MOSFET depend upon on the MOS capacitors. The MOS capacitor is the main part. The semiconductor surface at below the oxide layer and between the drain and source terminal can be inverted from p-type and n-type by applying a positive or negative gate voltage. When we apply positive gate voltage, the holes present beneath the oxide layer experience repulsive force and the holes are pushed downward with the substrate. So this is the in working condition. MOSFET are connected in this form: source, drain, gate, three terminal device. It's a p-type substrate and n-type channel. Source and drain is n-type, channel is n-type, and substrate are p-type. It is called n-channel. Okay. Before going on working, at first it is biasing. Source and drain in forward bias, and source and gate are used for controlling the output. We can use positive or negative on gate supply. It's due to this it's affect the output. So source is negative, so it is connected by DC battery with negative terminal VGS, and drain is negative, it is connected by positive terminal. So source always positive, drain always reverse bias, and source always forward bias in working condition for as a amplifier. When source is negative, then source emits electrons. There are n channel, it's have extra charge, so charge particles moves from n channel and goes to drain, and current flow from opposite to the charge, because charge are negative, so electric current flow in this direction. So source is negative, it is connected negative, so it is called forward bias. It is negative, it is connected with positive, so it is called reverse bias. So source are always forward bias, drain always in reverse bias. Okay. After this connection, we increase the VGS voltage. When increasing the VGS voltage, electrons move in this direction, source to drain. Positive terminal attracts the negative charge, negative terminal attracts the positive charge. Holes goes in this direction, and current direction is always with holes and opposite to the negative charge. So always current is always drain to source in n channel. When the gate is positive, then it attracts more electrons. Then the number of charged particles of electrons goes to drain, and output current, drain current is also increase. The depletion region is populated by the bound negative charge which are associated with the acceptor atoms. The positive voltage also attract electrons from the N plus source and drain region is to the channel. The electrons reach channel is found now if a voltage is applied between the source and the drain. Current flow freely between the source and drain gate. Voltage controls the electrons concentration of channel. Its theory is like that we explained in previous. So the MOSFET are two types, depletion and enhancement MOSFET. What is the depletion type MOSFET? So depletion type MOSFET and enhancement MOSFET depends upon the biasing of gate. When it depletes, when it reduces the output current, it is called depletion type MOSFET, and when it increases the output current due to the gate supply, then it is called enhancement MOSFET. So depletion MOSFET with a negative gate voltage, the negative charge on the gate repels conduction electrons from the channel, leaving positive ions in their place. Thereby the N channel is depleted of some of its electrons, thus decreasing the channel conductivity. The greater the negative voltage on the gate, the greater the depletion of N channel electrons at sufficiently negative gate to source voltage VGS of. The channel is totally depleted and drain current is zero. So when channel is repelled, there are no charge particle on channel, then the current, then the charge not flow from source to drain, and the output current is zero, and MOSFET is totally off. So it's a depletion type MOSFET shown in figure. P channel and N channel. P channel and N channel only difference is direction of the current. In N channel, and in P channel, current direction from source to drain in N channel, and in P channel current direction from drain to source. And in enhancement type, with a positive gate voltage, more conduction electrons are attracted into the channel, thus increasing the channel conductivity. So we can say that in depletion type MOSFET, channel conductivity is reduced, but in enhancement type MOSFET, conductivity of channel is increased due to the gate supply. Enhancement type MOSFET and depletion type MOSFET. The symbol is shown in figure N and PMOS for enhancement and depletion type. This is the circuit diagram of enhancement N channel and P channel. If the MOSFET is an N channel or N MOSFET, then the source and drain are N plus region and the body is a P region. If the MOSFET is a P channel or P MOSFET, then the source and drain are P plus region and the body is a N channel. So there are N channel and P channel. So channel is two types, N channel or P channel. When there is P channel, then substrate is taken N type. We use P type and channel is P type. So then the charge not goes to drain, it collected at substrate. So substrate and channels are different. Like that. Source and drain, these are channel, and this is substrate, silicon substrate, which is n type or p type. It's the basic concept of designing of the MOSFET. So thank you to all watching this video.